everybody, my name is Edward with Romero Roofing and Siding. Today we have some missing shingles here, and today I want to show you how you can do a repair, how you can remove the old shingle and put a new shingle there to prevent any further damage to the house. So basically these shingles broke right here, these tabs broke, so we have to remove the leftover so we can put a new shingle there. So these shingles are being held by nails here and here and here, but this shingle also goes all the way up to like right about here, so we have to remove these nails as well to be able to remove this shingle to put a new one in there. So what we need to do that is we need this tool, which is a prime bar you can get in Home Depot to be able to remove the nails. So carefully, just push very easy, you know, to lift the shingles to be able to have access to the nails, because we have to remove these nails too, so we're gonna have to get these loose right here. Then what you do is you remove these nails right here. Once you remove all these nails, you'll be able to slide this shingle right down and be able to slide a new one back in on underneath of the other shingles. It's really easy. You have to be really careful so you don't damage the rest of the shingles. So as you can see, these shingles are now loose. They don't have nails on it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the shingles that are, the nails that are holding this shingle. So you use this part of the prime bar to lift the nail a little bit, and then you use this part to remove it completely. Alright, so now that we remove all the nails, we can just, all we need to do is pull it down, come right off. Okay, now we are able to slide the new shingle in there and just re-nail it, and it'll be fixed. So let me show you how you do that. So here we have the new shingle. And all we're going to do is slide it underneath. And you use the old shingles as a guideline to, you know, put the new shingle there. So make sure that it's even on both sides. So now that it's in there, what we do is put the nails back on. So we're gonna secure this one, the new one, we're gonna secure this one first. The nails always go about 1 inch above this line, so the nails are underneath of this shingle, so water will not hit that nail right there. Now that this one is secure, then what we're going to do is secure the one above because we had to remove the nails to be able to get this one out. So this is where the two shingles meet. So we're gonna put one nail on each shingle. Now this one's secure, and this one will just stick down to this one. And that is how you do a asphalt shingle roof repair.